Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Headgood Inc. makes hats in a competitive market where demand spiked. We must find their next move. Let's solve this economics puzzle together. When the market demand for hats increases, the equilibrium price of hats rises. Since Headgood is a price taker, they will see a higher marginal revenue for every single hat sold.
This higher price increases the value of the marginal product for all inputs. Consequently, the firm's demand for factors like labor and capital shifts to the right to maximize their profit. The firm needs more resources to produce hats, so they must increase capital demand. This makes option D the only logical choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust the info and check steps for option D.